What's up, everybody? I've had a lot of requests lately asking kind of what I do on a day-to-day basis when I'm mobile, and I'm going to start sharing with you end-of-day videos. I'm just going to take a little recap at the end of the day, talk to you about the vehicles I worked on and what I did, but also share some of the interesting points. If I have something really interesting that day, I'll probably go a little more into detail or make a separate video about it, but you'll know it's coming. So if you have any questions, concerns, or comments about that, let me know. If you think it's a good idea, let me know. If you think it's a bad idea, let me know as well. I don't want to be wasting my time here, right? But I'm going to let you know what I did today. And just so you know, I'm not used to like just pretty much straight off talking into the camera nonstop. I usually take little breaks in between, so if I stutter and stammer as I'm jamming through this, please forgive me. So let's get started. Today we started the day with a 2011 Ford Escape. The transmission had been replaced with a used unit, and we had to program the solenoid and strategy ID numbers into the transmission. That was the transmission shop's request, so we went ahead and did that. And we also updated the PCM to the latest calibrations. Straightforward job, no problems. The next stop, we had a bunch of all keys lost situations. So we had a Ford F-150, or maybe it was an F-250, all keys lost. So I picked the driver's door lock, you know, with a Lishi decoder, very easy to do. I picked that, I decoded it, made a key, and it turned in the door, the driver's door. It did not turn into the ignition. Here, this door had been changed. I didn't know that, so I went ahead and I went and decoded the passenger side door and made a key to match that. And it was no problem. That worked into ignition. We used the Autel to program 2 new keys. Doing the all keys lost through that, not a problem. The next vehicle was a Equinox. This was a 2007 Chevy Equinox, and the door lock cylinder in this instance was easier for me to take apart than it was to actually go ahead and try and pick it with a Lishi. I'm not that good at this one yet. So I went ahead in there and took the door lock cylinder apart, decoded it, made a key, used the Autel, programmed it up, no problem. Straightforward job there. That was easy as it gets. Now, we also had some other jobs in between, but the highlight of the day, or the very interesting one that I may still be working on or going back to, is a 2015 Ford Escape. It's an auction car, used car lot car. I really don't know much about it, but it's a big mess. All I can say is I know we've got a used computer that I was able to program, and I was able to get the security done for it just using IDS. But we have some 5-volt reference codes and basically a crank no start, no cranking RPM. The shop's going to look further into that and then get back to me if they want me to dive in. So that's a recap of what I did today. I just wanted to let you guys know I want to keep on doing this if you guys want me to. If people don't like it, well, I wouldn't recommend watching it. I might put together a separate playlist just so you can watch end-of-day videos. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, go ahead and reach out to me. Be sure to check out handsonautotraining.com. Have a great day.